إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ibrar Ahmad Saud. My department is BBA 2K19. My roll number is 23. My subject is insurance. Video presentation given by Madam Indira Sindhi. My first topic is what is insurance? Insurance is a legal agreement between two parties. Example, the insurance company insurer and the individual insured. In this, the insurance company promises the make good losses of the insured on happening of the insured contingency. The contingency in the event which causes a loss, it can be the death of the policy holder or damage, destruction of the property. It's called a contingency because there is uncertainty regarding happening of the event. The insured receives a contract called the insurance policy which deals the condition, the amount of money charged by the insurer, the policyholder for the coverage set forth in the insurance policy is called premium. Business insurance can take a number of different forms, such as the various kinds of professional liability insurance, also called professional indemnity (PI). The insurance transaction involves the insured assuming a guarantee and non relatively small loss in the form of payment. Importance of insurance. Insurance plays a significant role in situation where a loss occurs. For instance, in the death of a policyholder who had paid a premium for life insurance, the insurer will compensate compensate that the insurer will compensate the beneficiaries as at the when due. Life insurance. Life insurance is a contract between an insurance policy holder and an and insurer where the insurer promises to pay a designated beneficiary a sum of money, the benefit in exchange for a premium. Upon the death of an insured person, often the policyholder, depending on the contract, other events such as terminal illness or critical illness can also trigger payment. The policyholder typically pays a premium either regularly as one lump sum. Other expenses such as funeral expenses can also be included in the benefits. Life policies and legal contracts and the terms of the contract describe the limitations of the insured events, specific specifics execution are often written into contract to limit the liability of the insurer. Common examples are claims relating to suicide, fraud, war, and civil commotion. Modern life insurance bears some similarity to the assets. Management industry and life insurance have diver- diversified their product into retirement products such as annuities. Life insurance is legally binding contract. For the contract to be enforceable, the life insurance application must accurately disclose the insured past and current health conditions and high risk activities. Term life insurance policies expire after a certain number of years. Permanent life insurance policies remain active until the insured dies, stop paying premium, or surrender policy. Who should buy life insurance? Life insurance provides financial support to surveying depends on the beneficiaries after the death of an insured. Here are some examples of people who may need life insurance. Parents with minor children. If a parent dies, the loss his or her income or care giving skill could create a financial hardship. Life insurance can make sure the kids will have financial resources they need until they can support themselves. Parents with special needs about adult children. Children sufficient life insurance can make sure their needs will be met after their parents pass away. The death benefit can be used to found a special needs trust. Adults who own property together, married or not, if the death of one adult would mean that the other could not longer afford loan payment, upkeep, and taxes on the property, life insurance may be good idea. Elderly parents who want to leave money to adult children who provide their care. Many adult children sacrifice by taking time off work to care of a elderly parent who needs help. This help may also include direct financial support. Life insurance can help the child costs when the parents from away. Journal insurance. Meaning of journal insurance comprises of a government insurance that provide specific covers to the insured against specific forms of eventualities. The most important reason to get journal insurance is to protect your valuable assets and your health against any kind of financial loss. Most of the general insurance products like motor insurance and health insurance are yearly contracts. General insurance is typically defined as an insurance that is not determined to be life insurance is called property and casualty insurance. Types of general insurance: motor insurance, home insurance, travel insurance, crop insurance, marine insurance, fire insurance, health insurance. Categories of general insurance: car insurance. It is compulsory to get car insurance to drive. Every commercial, personal, or business purpose vehicle needs to be covered as it financially saves vehicle owner during unexpected situations. Health insurance: the best medical policy covers expensive medical costs during accident, sudden illness, or or surgeries. Medical policies are the best way to handle crisis situations like injury or illness at an age in life with ease. It takes away the burden of medical expenditure, whether planning or sudden. Individual health insurance: health plan with OPD coverage, family filter health. Travel insurance. Travel insurance covers your medical costs, trips, daily personal accident, loss of passport. Many insurance companies provides online travel insurance. Take care of emergencies during travel. Our rise travel insurance, domestic travel insurance, student travel insurance, family travel insurance. Home insurance. Home insurance policy is a type of protection which will offer policyholder a cover for any kind of losses and damages that have occurred because of man made or natural. Under home insurance plan, home owner can either get a sole cover for his her structure, sole cover for the contents in the house, or both. Health insurance. Health insurance is an insurance that covers the whole part of the risk of a person incurring medical expenses, spreading the risk over numerous persons. By estimating the overall risk of health risk and health system expenses over the risk pool, and insurer can develop a routine finance structure such as a monthly premium or payroll tax to provide the money of pay for the health care benefits specified in the insurance agreement. A health insurance policy: a contract between an insurance provider, example an insurance company or a government, and an individual or his her sponsor. The contract can be a renewable annually, monthly, or life along the case of private insurance, or be mandatory for all citizens. In the case of national plans, the types of amount of health care cost that will be covered by the health or cost that will be covered by the health insurance. The type and amount of health care cost that will be covered by the health care cost that will be covered by the health insurance. Thank you, ma'am. Allah Hafiz.